everyone. I am Naga Sujith. Today I will draw a birds. Birds are national birds. They are learning about. There are so many birds. They are caddis birds, long-tailed birds, flamingos, and so many birds today. They can lay eggs. Only females lay eggs, but male birds can fly into sky, hunt for food. They like to eat worms. There's some male birds has blue color. Some females has pink and orange and so many colors. They are gray and real life. They can fly all day. They can live in tree branches. They can eat berries today. Okay, I will sing the bird song. Sound. I, bird, oh, bird. Sang the song and bird, do. I'm songbird, tweet, 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 tweet. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Colors are. Wait a second. The trees are red and blue. Thanks for watching. Bye.